Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I will detail how to collaborate photos in Instagram. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first one to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on the plus button and then select the photo you want to collaborate with on Instagram. You can select multiple photos by clicking on this icon and then go ahead and select all the photos you want to collaborate with on Instagram. You can see I now have like 8 photos. After that, click on next. Then you should see all the photos like this. Click on next. If you want to add audio, click on this plus button and then add audio, or better still, remove the audio. Click on next. Then you should see audio. Go ahead and click on add audio. Now select the audio you want to add and click on the pointed arrow. Click on done. Then to collaborate with this particular photo with another Instagram users, go ahead and click on tag people. And then you should see one of the photos pop. Click on invite collaborators. Then you can just go ahead and search for the collaborators you want to invite to join you on the photo collaboration. Repeat this and then keep inviting. You can invite multiple collaborators at the same time. So once you click on collaborator, just search for the name like this, and then you have them like this. You can just drag and drop the collaborator as you like. Once you are done, click on done at the top right. But before then, you should see the list of collaborators you added here. So click on done. Now this is going to tag these people to this particular post on your Instagram. That's why you see X number of people here. In my own case, I have 4 people to this photo. Now go ahead and click on the share button. Once you click on the share button, this is going to send the invite link or collaboration link to the people you tagged on Instagram. And once they accepted the invitation, then they'll be able to collaborate with you and share the photo or video on their page. And that is it. So that's exactly how to collaborate photos in Instagram. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.